To all you clients out there that are looking to get a procedure done, okay, it's very important that you make sure your practitioner wraps and creates a barrier in between you and any item that they have in their facility, whether it's the machine, whether it's their bed, whether it's their hands, that they always have a barrier in between you and any object that they're using in conjunction with you. Always keep that in mind. Today I'm going to show you the proper way to wrap your machine tool to create a barrier between you and your client. First off, what I typically do is take off any kind of excess jewelry. So I'm going to glove up. And because I'm not sure of what condition the machine tool is left in prior, I always use a sandy cloth and wipe the machine tool down completely. You always want to wear gloves with sandy cloth because of the chemical that's on this wipe is not good for your skin. So I'll let that dry for a second. Next, you want to make sure that any items that you use on your client, you want to make sure that your client sees that they're totally sealed, just for future thought. So next what I do is I take a machine cover, a tool cover, there's different manufacturers there are, and I slide it over the tool. This is set up for wireless. I'm using a wireless machine. And it already comes with a little hole in the end to insert your tattoo cartridge. So what I end up doing at this point is I take the tattoo cartridge out, which is my own. I make sure the client sees it. I insert it into the opening of this machine and it's automatically sealed perfectly tight here. You'll see it creates a nice barrier and it literally holds it in place. So that's a proper way to connect this with this type of machine tool cover, okay? If any of you guys want to know how to properly set up your cartridge in conjunction with your machine stroke, please click on the link in the bio and visit one of my YouTube videos that explains it totally and completely. Back to here, we're gonna wrap the machine, and typically I wrap this to make the machine a little bit more comfortable in my hand. It also creates a barrier, less vibration. There's many benefits to have, but mostly it's for comfortability, to make you comfortable between you and your machine. This is the proper way, and it's all set to go. By the way, I wanted to also note that in my trainings I get very in-depth on many different questions and issues when it comes to scalp micropigmentation. But if you're interested in one of my courses that teaches ultra hyperrealism, please click on the link in the bio and visit our webpage there. And thanks again for spending your time and watching my informative videos. Take care and God bless. Thanks.